Welcome back to Blue's Garden Tips, sowing pepper seeds. I'm going to first start with sifting through some of my potting mix that I make up, my seed starting mix. Get all the big chunks out, nice, light, and fluffy. Fill up my seed trays. I use these little 6-packs. Fill them up, tamp them down a little bit so that there are no air pockets in them. I just use another 6-pack and tamp it down, then top it off a little bit. And then you're ready. First up for me is going to be a Lemon Drop, which is a medium pepper in terms of Scoville. Not too hot. I'll do 6 of each type. I do a couple of seeds in each hole to start. Cover them up a little. Now remember, I've already moistened this, and then don't forget to label which one of your little 6-packs is where. Next up is the sweet banana pepper. Another 6-pack of those I've labeled. Then after that, I'm going to start on the Sunbright bell pepper, which will be a nice little yellow bell when it's fully done. Again, make some holes. 2 seeds in each little hole. Pinch it up, cover it up, and don't forget to label the Sunbright. After that, I'm going to do my Purple Beauty. I love these. They're a nice little color. I usually get a ton of them. Most important, label those. After the Purple Beauty, I'm going to do a big red, and hopefully that'll be a large size. It's new for me. And the Golden Cow Wonder, which is a big, large yellow bell pepper. And then I'll finish up with the Coral Bell. I've grown those before, and I've been pretty successful. After that, it's on the heat mat and under the lights. Please remember to like and subscribe for more Blue's Garden Tips. Thank you very much.